Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss the issue that many people are experiencing when it comes to high resolution monitors and the support of scaling in the MetaTrader platforms, especially the MT4, which is still widely used by many people. And even though MetaQuotes are claiming they did fix it and scaling is now fine, it seems that it's not. So basically, if you have custom indicator created from someone and the coder and the developer didn't take care of scaling and resizing and all these things, you're going to see very tiny images, very big text, stuff overlapping and so on. So if you're experiencing that, here is a quick fix. What you need to do is find your platform. Inside the program files, this is where the installation files are. After installation, this is what you're actually running, right? The terminal exe. Usually, if you didn't do any modifications, this is inside program files, and then you find your installation platform. If you're not able to find it and you have the platform running already, what you can do is just click on the running platform, right click here, right? Then you go to the top, right click on this thing as well, go to properties, and then inside target you will be able to see the actual location. So just take it from the slash here, copy paste it, mind the quotation mark on the very first symbol, right? So copy paste this thing up to here and you paste it inside your explorer and you will be able to see exactly this thing. So once you find it, right click on terminal.exe, go to properties, then you go to compatibility, change the DPI settings. This is the button right here, and on the new window that appears, check mark this option, high DPI scaling override. Once you enable it, this drop down menu will be selectable, and here you go ahead and choose system enhanced. Click OK on this window, click OK on this window. I'm not going to do it because I don't need it. And then just close your platform to restart it, and the new settings will take effect, which hopefully is going to fix your issue. Okay guys, so that's it. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave the comments below and I'll be happy to reply.